You want a honey?
Where you come from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Philippines. Oh, Philippines.
Do you want some of this pork?
Yeah.
อะไรเมื่อกี้บอก250
Or do you want belly?
ฟิลิปปินส์
And
นี่
they have oh, sausage. We have the sausage.
ไม่ใช่
Yeah.
240
Free.
Thank you.
กินว้า Where you come from ยะลาอ๋อยะลาfrom ยะลา
So how do you feel about being in a new country for the first time?
Feels amazing.
Yeah?
Like I'm just smiling around the market, hearing people talk. Like I couldn't understand.
Yeah. What else have you noticed that you like here? That you like?
It's clean.
Yeah.
It's clean and what else? I think the food. The food really is the number one
Okay.
thing I'm gonna like here.
Is it better than the Philippines? Yeah. Wow.
What's up, guys? So we're on our way to Thailand. We have 5 days abroad. If you go to immigration in Davao, make sure you go at least 3 hours ahead of your flight because we almost missed it because it took forever in the line.
Not in the immigration.
Not
but
in
on the
immigration.
check-in counter.
In the check-in, yeah, it took forever. The immigration was pretty fast for me, but she had about 5 minutes of questions. She had to prove.
Super scary
Yeah, a little bit scary she wasn't going to get through, but
because it's my first time.
first time traveling. But now we're good. So we're going to go to Bangkok for 5 days. We've got a nice Airbnb in Old Town, and hopefully we'll get some good footage. We'll see you there.
In case of emergency, please ask the cabin crew to receive you. Sa mga panauhing nakaupo sa exit rows.
All right, guys. Morning one in Thailand. Are you excited?
Day one, first morning. And I'm very excited for the food again.
Yeah, we're going to a morning market, so we'll see how that looks. Hopefully, we get some good footage and don't just eat a lot at the first place we see. So, bye, guys.
It's a big rock.
I don't know. This place looks pretty interesting. Rice. I bet they have it in a cooler in the back. Wow. Looks good. The sausage looks good.
That's here. I think this is almost
Oh no, that's what we need there is that barbecue. Looks good.
ประมาณแจ้งอยู่ใน10 โมงอ่ะ10 โมงมันโตไปก็รอแปด
It really looks good though.
For Helios?
What's that there? It's even like this.
Yeah. This looks amazing too.
Yeah. That's very meaning.
We should get something from like 3 places. How about that?
Okay. Fried and then some.
Yeah. Nope, excuse me. Sorry. What do you want? Something.
The fried fish looks good too.
Where?
There.
Okay. Let's go get a fried fish. Taurai?
40 baht. 40 baht.
40 baht. Okay, I'll do one.
Chicken. Pork.
Sure. Chicken, pork, and 1 rice.
Chicken. Pork.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
90 baht.
Thank you. Thank you.
That they were walking behind me.
I know.
Talking. This looks good. What did you buy? How much is it?
I got one pork, one chicken from that place that I said looked good, and then a rice.
How much?
90. What did, but you said you wanted something fried. I got something caranderia for us. That'll look good.
It's like 50 baht? 10 pieces, 50 baht. What do you think that is? It's that gulay lang, no? It's like gulay.
Watch out, baby.
You want the spring roll?
I don't know. Their hush puppies look pretty good. But you wanted fish, right?
What's this? A lot of people are ordering.
Yeah, it looks popular. Hey. Hello.
บาร์บีคิวผักเอาอะไรครับที่จะไปทำข้าวหยกข้าวหยกนั่นข้าวหยกหมู3 ชั้นนั่นน่ะข้าวหยกชิ้นหนึ่ง
How much is the pork?
วันนั้นเด็กกันหั่นไหมครับเจ๊ฮะหั่นไหมไม่หั่นมั้งวันชิ้นนี้นะเนื้อเยอะกี่บาท
Both? What, 60, 60? But that same price? Let me find. Let me see what the girlfriend wants. You want pork?
วันนั้น1 ขีด60 โลละ600
How much?
How much 100 กรัม60 บาท
100.
100 grams.
65 baht? 65 baht?
ฉันคนไทยอ๋อนั่นไทยเปล่า
You want 100?
ไม่ใช่ไปอยู่คำฟ้อง
Philippines.
Philippines.
ฟิลิปปินส์ล่ะเอาไปหาร
Do you want some of this pork?
Yeah.
อะไรเมื่อกี้บอก200
Or do you want belly?
ฟิลิปปินส์
And
นี่
they have oh, sausage. We have to get the sausage.
ไม่ใช่
Yeah.
Free.
กินเวอยู่คำฟ้องยะลาอ๋อยะลาฟองยะลา
Can we have 100 grams of this?
100 กรัม
How much of the sausage?
1 piece 35 บาท
Two?
2 piece 70 บาท
Okay.
สไลด์3 ขีดครึ่ง245
So much food now.
Here, I have a bag. Maybe you can start us holding the food. Or I can, one of us.
อันนี้100 กรัม70 กับ60 135ไอ้70กับ60 130
60 plus 70 should be 130.
I got a coin.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
10.
You want
Yes. Is
5 lang, babe.
ฝรั่งไม่กิน
5 only.
10 บาท
There's 120. And I think I have a 10 over here. 10? Is that 10?
No, 10 บาท
Not 10?
I have 5.
You have 5? Okay. Uh-huh.
โอเคเก็ตเตอร์
Thank you.
บาท
Thank you. All right.
Thank
Thank you, boss.
Here.
All right.
So the fish and the last.
Fish, pork.
Did you film it?
Yeah. What now, baby? Oh, the fish. Sure. There's like fish bones and then like the big ones. Do you want that kind?
No, you choose please for the fish.
You pick whatever looks good to you.
Wait. If I'm gonna choose, I'm gonna just choose single fish.
That's fine. Yeah.
No?
Yeah. It's up to you.
That's the salmon, right?
Something like that. I don't know. This one?
โวยวายเหมือนยายปูเลย
เอาอันนี้
120 maybe we could try the pork.
Yeah. Do you want a rice? No? Oh, I have one rice.
I think there's so many food. I'm okay without eating rice for now.
Okay. This looks good. It's nice and oily. That means it was fried recently. That's
Yeah.
my favorite.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you.
So, Operation Find a Park to sit down.
All right. Oh wow, there's a whole other way. Did we go? We went the whole stretch, right?
I think another road. Ay,
Oh yeah.
is the road good?
So? Don't know. We'll find out. Are you excited for your breakfast?
Yeah. We got. Oh, he mix it.
That's
Pork
okay.
and sausage. And then we got a very big fish. I think this is for 20 people.
Yeah. Looks good. Oh, and then some rice and I guess pad thai with ground pork and one's a chicken breast.
Are we having a breakfast local style?
I guess right here on the river.
Oh, look at how they
Wow.
use a rubber band. And what's your drink?
I got iced cappuccino and she got a Thai iced tea. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Is it too sweet?
You know, it's just the right amount. Okay.
Maybe let's try the sauce, the barbecue since it's. I'm gonna get in here for one.
What's this?
Sauce?
Oh.
Maybe like a green curry. This is the pork belly.
I'm gonna take a photo for our breakfast.
Okay. So how do you feel about being in a new country for the first time?
Feels amazing.
Yeah?
Like I'm just smiling around the market, hearing people talk. Like I couldn't understand.
Yeah? What else have you noticed that you like here? That you like?
It's clean.
Yeah?
It's clean and what else? I think the food. The food really is the number one
Okay.
thing I'm gonna like here.
Is it better than the Philippines? Yeah? Wow.
I think we're gonna be back so soon.
Okay, let me know how the fish is that you picked.
Mm.
Is it good?
Wow.
It looks like it looks basically like they had a Tupperware full of pre-sliced fish.
It's really good. It's like
Yeah. So I've seen it with my hand.
really good.
Yeah, not too much, no real flavoring. I think that's all in this.
Let me call my mom.
You want to try the green sauce?
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah,
Wait, I'll taste first.
it tastes like a.
It's like asuka.
But with little like more spice.
Yeah.
But yeah, it does. For some reason, it's green. I don't know why it's green, but
I think it's all the herbs. Wow, the sauces did not disappoint ever since last night.
I'm gonna eat a sausage. I've been missing sausage. Let's see how theirs are. Well, they're very, very firm. There's no fat in that. It's sweet.
Everything else here is like worth it.
So I think this was about 120. The homemade dishes are like, I think 40 each. The fish was 120. These were like 35 each or 40.
And the tables are free.
And the table was free. We just had to walk a little bit. So
You should show the ano babe, the river. We're behind like small. What do you call a canal? It's like
It's
a
a canal.
canal, but it's super clean. And there
Yeah.
are fishes in the canal.
there's lots of fish. When we were eating dinner last night, there was just like tons of fish jumping out of the water. I guess eating flies and stuff. Yeah, try the pork. It's just like, it's pork loin actually.
Wow,
It's very like lean.
super soft.
Rice. Oh, this is like Filipino rice. I have a towel if you want to like eat with your hands too. Maybe some of this tail. Okay. What do you think of the sausage? Have you had sausage like that before?
No.
Do you like it?
And the vendor was like very energetic,
Uh-huh.
accommodating.
And he thought you were Thai.
Yeah. Where are you from?
Yeah, because I'm sure he asked you in Thai, oh, is this your afam or something like that? The equivalent?
But maybe. Why did you not responding?
Uh-huh. It's like a spicy, fruity guacamole. And the tail is very crispy. Call your mom? Okay, mom call. Spicy guinea ling?
Wow. Super good. Wow.
I noticed you were like seeing everything that reminded you of the Philippines there. Talking to mom. Okay, back.